Welcome to TechBrothersIT. In this video, we are going to learn about data type and casting in PySpark. So we'll be using two functions in this video. We'll be using cast function that converts the data type of a column, and there is another function called astype. This is alias to the cast function and a more Pythonic style. Now we have sample data here, and I have ID, name and salary here, and you can see that these are the IDs are number. We have this name is string, and then is either float or double for the salary, and we have one null value as well. Here I'm defining the list of the columns, so we have ID, name and salary. Then I'm creating a data frame by using a spark.create data frame function here and providing the sample data and then list of the columns here. Once our data frame is created, we can use print schema function to see the schema of that function data frame, and also we can see the data by using a df.show. So let me go ahead and execute this one, and then I show you how exactly it will look like. Our data frame is created, and now we can see that the original data frame all columns are string, and you can see that ID is string and name is string and salary is string, and it says nullable true true true, so it can accept null values as well. Now here is the output of that data frame. You can see in a tabular form, so we have ID, name and salary. Now what we are going to do right here, in this case it works fine, no problem, but think about a scenario where I need to write this data to the maybe Azure SQL table, and my ID is integer there, and my salary is float there. So if I will try to insert that data, I might get error. Sometime explicit kind of conversion does happen, you know, but in those process also we can lose some data. So it's a good idea to cast your column types to exactly what you are writing to the destination. So here what we see, we have a cast function here, and now we are converting a string to the integer and float. So what I'm going to do by using cast function, the change the ID to the integer and salary to the float. So what you will say, you are creating a new data frame df casted, and say df, that's your original data frame with column, and then you're saying so we are adding this column ID here, and then on the column that is the actual column value, so column ID cast as integer. So this is the value we are given to this column, and then we are going to go ahead and say with the column salary, and the column salary we are casting to the float. So in this case, if you see that I'm keeping the same column names, if I want to change this column names, and in the new data frame data can be done here as well, but we can keep just the same as is, because we don't really need to change the column names in the new data frame. So now if I will print the schema for this df casted, what's going to happen is going to show me in the converted schema. So for ID it's going to show me the integer, and for the salary is going to show me the float. So if I will go ahead and execute this part, there are two things we are going to see using cast to change ID to the integer and salary to the float. So that's what we can see right there. ID is integer now, and name is the string, but that we didn't make any change, and here is our salary, and that is the float. So you can see right there, you know, we have those things. Now if I will go and use the as type, that can be done as well. So here is my df as type data frame, and then I use the previous data frame that I had it here, and in this data frame you remember that we have converted the salary to the float, and in here I'm going to convert it to salary to the double. So we have a new data frame called the df as type equal to, I'm applying the cast function on this data frame, the one we have just created on top, and df casted with the column salary, and then on which column, the salary column, as type double. Okay, so make this column as a double instead of float type. Then I'm printing the schema, and that's going to do it. So I'm going to go ahead and execute here, and then you are going to see right there. So ID is integer, nothing happened to that one, name stays string, and salary is converted to the double, as we have casted right here by using a as type function here. So this is how you can convert different columns of a data frame according to your needs to the specific data types. I thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.